Welcome back to another episode on my Home Sweet Home series that I just started on my channel. Today's video is a DIY / fall home decor video, and I hope you enjoy this. So I picked up some sandpaper and this paintbrush from Home Depot. I was undecided on the color of the box, but I ended up painting it white using this Michael's paint that my daughter had laying around. I did, however, pick up this from Home Depot and then decided I didn't want the box to be a dark color. I am recycling this box from a previous event, and I spray painted it gray because I needed it to be gray for some reason. I don't remember what event it was, but I wanted to reuse this for the front steps of our house. And so I am sandpapering all of the sides and the bottom. I didn't do the inside of the box because no one was going to see the inside, and I'll probably recycle this again for something else. But right now I'm just sanding down the box to push up the texture or push out the texture of the wood, and then to get as much gray spray paint off of the box. So this was my favorite part of the DIY, and it was dry painting the box. All I did was dab the brush in a little bit of paint, and then I wiped it all off onto this white paper that the box is sitting on. I wiped it off to the point there was barely any paint on the brush, and then I started painting. And it gave it this beautiful, rustic, used feel. It was perfect. I loved it. Now I'm trying to think of other things I can dry paint in my house. So here is a closer look at the amazing awesomeness of this box. Seriously, it turned out better than I expected. Now I'm going to take the faux plant that I picked up from Home Goods and place it in the middle towards the back. This is the normal faux plant that usually is on the front steps. Picked up this sign from TJ Maxx. They have a lot of cute signs. Now I'm going to play around with the pumpkins that I picked up from Home Depot. I'm a visual person, so I am going to play around with it for a little bit, and then you guys will see what I ended up settling on towards the end. But I picked up this $5 vine thingy from the Dollar Spot at Target. I know it's not called the Dollar Spot anymore, but that's where I got it from. Now I'm just, the cool thing about these bendy little vines is that I was able to secure it from the back by just bending the wire, and then it stayed in place. Just stuck it in the little slit in the box, and then I am just going to play around with this. You guys, the box looks amazing. Like I said, it's my favorite part, the box. And of course, to pull in the look, we had to add Mr. Scarecrow to the steps. This is the setup that I ended up going with, and I absolutely love it. The rugs I picked up from Home Goods, and then on the other side of the door is this other setup. The sign I got from TJ Maxx. The scarecrow I picked up from Home Depot, and this wreath is an oldie but a goodie from Home Goods, probably 2 years ago. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how everything turned out. Very simple, but it still screams fall. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.